continue the second part. Alright, so these are the age of the animal on 31st December 2018. So we call this as a carrying value. Okay, carrying value on 31st December 2018. Alright, so now look at the question. So focus on this group age on 31st December 18. So these are all 31st December 18, but focus on 3.5 years old. So if you look at 3.5 years old, okay, this one, yeah, 3.5 years old. So the price is 2,500. So we times this one with 2,500. Okay, 2,500. And this 3 years old on 31st December 18, 3 years old is this one. Okay, so it is at RM 2000. So we time this with RM 2000. 2.5 years old on 31st December is 1 RM 1650. So we times with RM 1650. Okay, that 6-month old, this one 0.5, the fair value is 400. So we time with RM 400. Okay, so this is actually what you times here is actually the fair value of that age group on 31st December 18. So this one you will get 250,000. Okay, maybe I just put it in the next cell. Okay, this one is 250,000. Okay, and then 10 times 2,000 is 20,000. 20 times 1,650 is 33,000, and 5 times 400 is 2,000. So the total here, okay, you should get 305,000. So this is actually the carrying value. Okay, this one, the carrying value. Alright, so this 305,000 is the carrying value of the biological asset on 31st December 18. So if you look at the question, the question actually asks for the carrying amount. So this is the answer. Okay, you have already give the answer. Alright, now we move on to the price change and the physical change. Alright, okay, just let me put the heading first. Fair value changes, changes due to price change. Okay, changes due to price change. Okay, so you have to focus here. How are we going to calculate? Because we have also changes due to physical change. Okay, now changes due to price change is where it focuses on the price of the animal. Okay, the price of the animal at the same age but at a different point, which means that Okay, price change is, for example, this 2.5 years old group. Okay, on 1st January the price is 1,500. But how does this price change on 31st December 18? So what we look at is at the same age of group, 2.5 years old. Okay, 2.5 years old here on 31st December. This 2.5 years old, the price is 1,650. Alright, so we are comparing the price at the end of the year, 1,650, with the price when you acquire the BA. Okay, at the same age of group, 2.5 years old and 2.5 years old. Alright, so the first thing what you do is you just copy the age first. You will have 4 groups. So the first one is 2.5 years old. Okay, you have 100 animal. And then you have the second group, also 2.5. It doesn't matter. We put that first. Alright, this is 10 animal.
It's 12 o'clock.
And then the third group is 2 years old. This is 20 animal. And then the fourth group is the newborn. This is 5 animal. Okay, alright, so how do we deal this price change is that we compare the price at the end of the year and at the date and the price on the acquisition date at the same age here, 2.5 years old at the end of the year and 2.5 years old on the acquisition date. So 100 here times with, okay, we take the end figure 1,650 minus price on the acquisition date, that is 1,500. Okay, next one for 2.5 years old here, same 31st December, 2.5 is 1,650 minus the price on the acquisition date is 1,600. So minus 1,600. Okay, you get that? Okay, for the third group, that 2 years old, so we take 2 years old, 31st December, 2 years old is 1,450. So 1,450 minus the price on the acquisition date, there is 1,400. Okay, is that correct? And then the newborn times with price at the end of the year, newborn here is 300 minus the price on the acquisition date, 1st July. This is the acquisition date, actually the date when it is born, that is 250. Okay, so you will get for each one, okay, this one would be 15,000. And then 1,600 minus 1,600 times 10, that is 500. Okay, next one, this is 1,000 and this is 250. So the total here, gain on the price change is 1,650. Okay, so that is for price change. Alright, continue next session.